Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered where it all began? The story of our universe is the story of everything, of us, of Earth, of every star and galaxy. Our journey starts with a mystery. Before the beginning, what was there? We don't know, but we do know that everything we see began from a single, unimaginably dense point. This point held the potential for the entire cosmos. Scientists, like cosmic detectives, piece together clues from light, radiation, and distant galaxies to uncover our origins. By studying these clues, we can trace the universe's journey from that tiny speck to the vast cosmos we see today. So, get ready to travel back in time, about 13.8 billion years, to witness the birth of the universe. We'll see the first particles form, stars ignite, and galaxies begin their cosmic dance. This isn't just the story of space, it's our story. The atoms in your body, the planet beneath your feet, the sun above, all are part of this epic tale. The universe isn't just out there, it's within us. We are made of star stuff, connected to the cosmos in every way. Let's begin our journey to understand how it all came to be. The greatest story ever told is the story of us and the universe. And it all starts now. Let's go back to that first moment, the Big Bang. It wasn't an explosion in space. It was the sudden expansion of space itself. Imagine a tiny balloon inflating everywhere at once. That's how the universe began. In that instant, pure energy filled the cosmos, hotter than anything we can imagine. Matter as we know it didn't exist yet, just a seething soup of particles and energy. From this beginning, everything we know would eventually emerge. Why do we believe this? Because the universe is still expanding today. Edwin Hubble discovered that distant galaxies are moving away from us, like dots on an inflating balloon. If we rewind the clock, everything converges to a single hot, dense point. The Big Bang theory is supported by evidence. The expansion of space and the faint afterglow of creation, the cosmic microwave background. This afterglow is a baby picture of the universe, still visible today. The Big Bang set the cosmic clock ticking, starting the process that led to stars, planets, and us. It was the ultimate let there be light moment. From that moment, the universe began its incredible journey, and every discovery brings us closer to understanding our origins. The story of the Big Bang is the story of everything. In the first fractions of a second, the universe expanded and cooled at a staggering rate. The fundamental forces, gravity, electromagnetism, and nuclear forces, separated, shaping the cosmos. During inflation, the universe grew from smaller than an atom to larger than a grapefruit, almost instantly. As it cooled, energy transformed into particles, matter and antimatter, locked in a cosmic battle. Luckily, a tiny excess of matter survived, forming everything we see today. Within seconds, protons and neutrons formed from quarks. For a few minutes, the universe was a fusion reactor, creating hydrogen, helium, and traces of lithium. After 3 minutes, fusion stopped, leaving a hot plasma of nuclei and electrons. Light was trapped in this cosmic fog. The universe was opaque. For 380,000 years, the universe remained a hot, dense cloud. The basic ingredients for stars and galaxies were cooked, but the universe was still unrecognizable. The stage was set for the next transformation. The journey from chaos to order had just begun. After the first few minutes, the universe entered the cosmic dark ages. No stars, no galaxies, just a vast, expanding cloud of hydrogen and helium. Light was trapped, bouncing off free electrons in a cosmic fog. For 380,000 years, the universe expanded and cooled in darkness. Then, at about 3,000 degrees Celsius, electrons joined nuclei to form neutral atoms. This event, called recombination, allowed light to travel freely for the first time. The universe became transparent, and the oldest light, the cosmic microwave background, began its journey. This ancient glow still fills the sky, a snapshot of the universe's first light. Tiny variations in this light revealed the seeds of future galaxies. But the universe was still dark. No new sources of light yet. The true end of the dark ages would come with the birth of the first stars. Gravity was quietly gathering the raw materials for the universe's first luminous objects. With neutral gas filling the universe, gravity began its work. Slightly denser regions pulled in more gas, growing into the seeds of future structures. Over millions of years, these clumps became the birthplaces of the first stars. Stars formed in groups, creating the first proto-galaxies, small, chaotic, and clumpy. Dark matter, invisible but powerful, provided the scaffolding for these structures. Ordinary matter followed, gathering in the densest parts of the cosmic web. Over billions of years, small galaxies merged to form larger ones. Our Milky Way grew by absorbing many smaller galaxies, a process still happening today. Looking deep into space is looking back in time, revealing the universe's construction site. Each distant galaxy is a chapter in the story of cosmic evolution. The rise of galaxies set the stage for everything to come. Inside forming galaxies, smaller clouds collapsed to create stars. When the core of a collapsing cloud reached 15 million degrees, nuclear fusion ignited. A star was born. The first stars were massive, burned fast, and died young in spectacular supernovae. These explosions forged heavier elements, carbon, oxygen, iron, scattering them across space. Each new generation of stars contained more of these elements, enriching the cosmos. Our sun is a later generation star, formed from enriched gas about 4.6 billion years ago. As the sun ignited, leftover material formed a spinning disk, the protoplanetary disk. Within this disk, dust grains stuck together, growing into pebbles, rocks, and planetesimals. Through countless collisions, the planets of our solar system took shape. The iron in your blood and the calcium in your bones were forged in ancient stars. Our solar system is the product of billions of years of cosmic recycling. The story of the sun and its family is the story of transformation, and among the worlds that formed was our own Earth. Earth began as a molten ball bombarded by asteroids and comets. A giant impact with a Mars-sized object created our moon, stabilizing Earth's tilt and seasons. As bombardment slowed, Earth cooled, and a solid crust formed. Volcanoes released gases, forming a thick toxic atmosphere. Water vapor condensed and fell as rain, filling basins to create the first oceans. By 4 billion years ago, Earth was a water world, with a stable orbit, a large moon, a protective atmosphere, and liquid water. Earth was ready for the next chapter. The planet was in the Goldilocks zone, just right for life. This unique environment set the stage for something extraordinary. The origin of life was about to begin. Picture this, 3.8 billion years ago, in the restless cradle of Earth's ancient oceans, something extraordinary stirred. Simple molecules danced together, forming the very first self-replicating cells, the spark that ignited the epic saga of life. For eons, life clung to simplicity, existing as single-celled pioneers in a vast, mysterious world. Then a revolution. Cyanobacteria mastered photosynthesis, flooding the atmosphere with oxygen and forever changing the planet's fate. The Great Oxidation Event was a turning point, unlocking the door to complex life. Fast forward to 600 million years ago, the Cambrian explosion. Suddenly, the oceans teemed with a dazzling array of multicellular creatures, each stranger and more wondrous than the last. Life surged onto land. Plants, insects, amphibians, reptiles, and the mighty dinosaurs ruled a world in constant flux. But Earth's story is one of upheaval. Catastrophic extinctions, like the one that ended the age of dinosaurs, shattered old worlds and cleared the way for new beginnings. From the ashes, mammals emerged, diverse, adaptable, and destined for greatness. Among them, primates began their climb. After an epic journey through time, Homo sapiens appeared, curious, creative, and ready to shape the world. The story of life is a testament to resilience, adaptation, and the relentless drive to survive against all odds. From humble cells to sentient beings, the journey of life is far from over. Its next chapter is still being written. Today, 13.8 billion years after the Big Bang, the universe is filled with wonders, trillions of galaxies, each with billions of stars and countless planets. We can look back to the afterglow of creation, watch stars being born and dying, and map the cosmic web. The universe is still expanding, and that expansion is accelerating, driven by mysterious dark energy. Ordinary matter, everything we see, makes up just 5% of the universe. The rest is dark matter and dark energy, mysteries we're only beginning to understand. The future may hold a big freeze, as galaxies drift apart and stars burn out. Yet, from a point of infinite density, the universe has blossomed into breathtaking complexity. It has produced stars, galaxies, planets, and life capable of asking where it all came from. We are the universe's way of knowing itself. Our quest for knowledge continues as we look up and explore. The journey from the Big Bang to now is just the beginning. The universe's story is one of endless creation and discovery, and our part in it is only just unfolding.